In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted contacts in Gmail. Sometimes we accidentally delete contacts, or we have a change of heart and decide we need them back. Whatever the reason, if you're looking to recover contacts that you might have deleted recently, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. But it's important to remember that these instructions apply only to contacts that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Beyond this period, unfortunately, the contacts become irretrievable. First, let's start by heading over to Google Contacts. You can do this by typing Google Contacts into your search bar or directly in Google and clicking on the appropriate link. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your currently saved contacts. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This section is your navigation menu within Google Contacts and will help you access different features and options. In this sidebar, you'll see various sections, such as Contacts, Frequently Contacted, Labels, and so on. Look for the section labeled Trash. This is where deleted contacts are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed from your account. Go ahead and click on Trash. Once inside the trash, you'll see a list of contacts that have been recently deleted. It's a bit like the recycle bin on your computer. You can scroll through and view all the contacts stored here. These are the contacts that are still recoverable within the 30-day time frame we discussed earlier. Now, when you hover over any contact in this list, you'll notice an option appears towards the right side. This is the Recover button. This button is your gateway to reinstating the selected contact back into your Google Contacts. Click on this Recover button, and just like that, the contact will be restored to your main list of contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered a deleted contact. This process is simple and quick, yet incredibly useful, especially when you need to retrieve contact information that you may have thought was lost. Remember, though, that this only works for contacts deleted within the past 30 days. So, if you suspect a contact might be missing, it's always a good idea to check sooner rather than later. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to keep watching for more quick and easy tech tips. If you have any questions or run into any troubles while recovering contacts, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Until next time, happy organizing!